Hello, it's me again. Right, I've been trying out some new stuff. It's called Waterless Waterless Wash and Wax. Mind you, I did put ceramic coat on top of it, well, on there already. So I'm just trying out this new stuff. Basically, it's you know, just spray it on and give it a wipe down, and give it another wipe down afterwards. So wet and dry, basically. And so you do it wet and then dry again afterwards. And to be honest with you, it's actually not too bad. It's like, it's not sponsored by it. It's not sponsored by Total Wax. I used Auto Gleam. I used Total Wax. Total Wax is normally my go-to, to be honest with you. It's actually not bad. So I'll show you. I'll do half and half. Yeah, half and half. So you can see I sprayed it on here, not too much. So this is my wet cloth. So give it a good old wipe down. Never do figure of eights. You always want to do lengthways. So what I'm going to do is just give it on there. Not going to do the chrome just yet. Probably do that off camera. And yeah. So give it a good little bit of elbow grease. Get it in there. And I'm not even going to leave it for a few. I'm just going to get it on there. And yeah. So yeah, you can see the difference already. It's like you can see what part is waxed and what part isn't. Well, it's already got wax on there, but it's a different type. It's just ceramic coat. This is a, you know, specified for this. Let's give it a wipe down. So it's just a dry cloth. So 2 cloths is a good thing for this. 2 cloths is a good thing for it. Yeah, one. I'm not using those specialist tools. Not using my orbital sander for it, with a buffing pad. Just going to give it a good hand job. Phrasing. But yeah, good old hand job, phrasing. I'm going to keep on saying phrasing because it, you know, it's wax on, wax off, isn't it? Wax on, wax off. So give it a good old buff up. And to be honest with you though, these cloths are also, these microfiber towels, they're also Total Wax as well, and they're actually really good. I've been having these for ages now. Just give them a wash, hand wash, preferably. And yeah, as you can see though, I don't know how well, apart from I keep getting mosquitoes in there, which is pleasant. For some reason mosquitoes are out this time of year, not normally are. But yeah, I don't know how well it shows on camera. It's like, it's quite a difference. So, yeah. Like, here we go, have my shadow in there. See if that helps. Yeah, you can see my shadow on my reflection. As far as what I can see though, it looks a lot more clearer on the wax side. So for black paint, it's actually not bad. It's like, yeah, it's not bad stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna do the rest of the car and show the end result. Yeah. Yeah, it's not bad at all stuff. It's like, sorry's not so interesting, but yeah. Like, give it a bit of a buff down, give it a good old wipe. The stuff is actually not bad. Because, mind you though, I haven't gave it a proper wax in good some time now. It's like, the last time I gave it a proper wax was, I think it was in, hold up, October, I think it was in October, or maybe September, one of the two. That's the last time I gave it a good old wax. And that's another Total Wax stuff, is black stuff or whatever it is. But yeah, it's actually not bad stuff. But yeah, it even works on chrome. Even though it's only bollocks, you know, plastic chrome, as you can see. You know, hello, it's me. You know, hello. But yeah, it's actually not bad. It's like that was that one. You can see there, like, you know, you can see still got a bit of a roughness on it, you know, still got a bit of streaking. But that's obviously from the ceramic stuff, and this stuff is actually really clearing up the ceramic stuff quite nicely. But yeah, there you have it really. Because, honestly, I might actually do a little bit more on this really, and just touch up on waterless stuff. Well, you know, try out new products and stuff I'm out my pocket. I'm not being sponsored by anything. So, yeah, there you have it. Anyway, this is 300C Golf, out.